السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Good morning, everyone. Our lesson today is non-negative and negative integer powers in R. At the last years, we studied the powers and their rules. If we said half times half times half, this means that x equal half power 3 because half is repeated 3 times. So half times half times half equal half power 3. What about negative 2 over 3 times negative 2 over 3 times negative 2 over 3 times negative 2 over 3? Negative 2 over 3 is repeated 4 times, so equal negative 2 over 3 power 4. As well, if we said a times a times a times a times a times a n times, repeated n times, so a times a times a times and so on equal a power n, where a is repeated as a factor n times. Let's take an example. Root 2 times root 2 times root 2 times root 2 times root 2. Root 2 is repeated 5 times, so it's equal root 2 power 5. By simplifying, equal 4 root 2. Negative root 2 times the negative root 2 times the negative root 2 times the negative root 2 equal negative root 2 power 4 equal 4 by simplifying. Negative root 5 times the negative root 5 times the negative root 5 equal negative root 5 power 3. By simplifying, it's equal negative 5 root 5. If we said that a power 0, this means equal 1. Any number except 0 power 0 equal 1. Root 7 power 0 equal 1. Negative 1 over root 11 power 0 equal 1. So any number power 0 equal 1 except 0. What about 5 power 3 times 5 power negative 3? We learned that if the base are equal, so we take the base 5 and add the powers. 3 plus negative 3 equals 0. So 5 power 0 equal 1. If I say that x power m times what equal 1, so x power negative m, because x power m times x power negative m equal x power 0 and equal 1. If we have a negative power, a power negative n, a power negative n equal 1 over a power n. A power n equal 1 over a power negative n. Example, root 3 power negative 4 equal 1 over root 3 power 4 equal 1 over 9 by simplifying. 1 over negative root 3 power negative 3 equal negative root 3 power 3 equal negative 3 root 3 by simplifying. If x equal 3, y equal root 2, find each of the following in the simplest form. We want to find x bar negative 2 times y bar negative 4. So we substitute x by 3 and y by root 2. It's equal root 3 bar negative 2 and root 2 times root 2 bar negative 4 and simplify it. Another example, if x equal root 3 over 2 and y equal 1 over root 3, z equal root 2 over 2, find the value of x power 2 plus xz or power 2 times y power 2. The expression equal x power 2 plus we distribute the power x power 2 z power 2 times y power 2 by simplifying x power 2, we take x power 2 as a common factor equal 1 plus z power 2 y power 2. By simplifying, x equal root 3 over 2. So x, root 3 over 2 power 2 times 1 plus, we remove z and put root 2 over 2 power 2 times 1 over root 3 power 2. By simplifying, this will be equal 7 over 2. Important rule: if a power m equal a power n, then m equal n, where a belong to r difference 0, 1, and negative 1. Example, if root 2 power x equal to root 2, then we can say that root 2 power x equal root 2 power 3, then x equal 3. A power n equal b power n, this means that a equal b, where n belong to 1, 3, 5, and so on. Absolute A equal absolute B, where n belong to 4, 6, and so on. For example, x power 5 equal 1 over 32. This means that x power 5 equal 1 over 2 power 5, so x equal half. If you want to find the solution set for each of the following equation, 3 over 5 power x plus 2 equal 125 over 27. So 3 over 5 power x plus 2 equal 125 over 27. This means that 3 over 5 power x plus 2 equal 5 over 3 power 3. Base equal base. This means that the power equal power. So x plus 2 equal negative 3. So x equal negative 2 minus 3, x equal negative 5. Solution set is negative 5. Another example, root 3 power 2 all power x minus 3 equal root 3 power x plus 5. We can simplify this equation as the following. Root 3 power, we make 2 times x minus 3, so 2x minus 6 equal root 3 power x plus 5.